Welcome to the Paradise Porchcast. Today we have a special guest, Eric Hoffer. You may have seen him on Young and the Restless or HGTV.
HGTV,
right?
Yes.
We've got a special picnic today.
All my favorites, except the sardines. Not a big fan of sardines.
Yeah, spaghetti and meatballs, meatloaf, bananas, apples,
Fresh cantaloupe.
watermelon, cherry pie, and your favorite.
Sardines are delicious. I love them. They do make me a little sick, seriously.
Yeah.
Sardines. It's fine.
Yeah.
Willing participant in all this. No one's forcing me.
We got the monster woodchipper ready.
We're ready to rock.
Ready to rock. Plugged into 220. We got a water hose ready after the fact.
Yeah.
But how fast do you think you can eat of it? 3 minutes?
That's what she said. Let's give it a whirl. We're doing this
We're doing it.
for safety.
Safety first. Oh, I'm all posted up.
You rock.
What do you want first?
I'll let you be the judge, not the sardines. I need advance warning on the sardines. Do not attempt this at home.
How was it?
It's great. That's the best lunch I ever had.
That works way better than I thought it was going to.
I think I just got a sardine wipe off. I gotta wipe my eye and I can't. Oh, there's a sardine on.
Follow us, Mel Economy Labs Paradise Porchcast. Give it up for Eric Hoffer.
Check out my website. I'll be here all weekend. Be sure to tip your servers and try the sardines.